The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody, welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you're having a great day. The markets are up, currently up anyway. They're up, not a huge amount, 3% to 8% being the top one on EOS right now. But again, look, it's another day for me where the markets are quite sideways. There is no real strong direction, and again, it's a day where my watch list is extraordinarily small. So what do we do on days like today? Well, one thing to do is maybe don't sit there on social media all day, because there's a lot of crap out there. I just did that for about 10 minutes. I read through social media, I read through Twitter, and I was like, wow, there's a lot of rubbish out there right now. A lot of people saying a lot of stuff that really has no bearing. Even the news. I mean, look, I had a quick little scroll through it. Where is it before? There was something saying about, I saw something, this isn't too bad, you know. I mean, this sort of stuff, that's a fair statement. That's it. This is the one I was looking at. Bitcoin rises 4.65% as crypto market creeps towards breakout. Breakout of what exactly? I mean, let's be honest here. What is the crypto market? Where is this crypto market chart? Where is this breakout level? Bitcoin has no breakout level. So this sort of information, this sort of news, you know, people need a reality check sometimes. Markets don't go up forever. Markets don't go up as hard as what these markets do for very long. They always come back. Now, we're seeing it in traditional markets across the world. We are seeing markets have quite a decent pullback at the minute. We've seen Bitcoin have a big pullback this year. If this was of any surprise, then you haven't checked the history of Bitcoin. I had checked the history of Bitcoin. Excuse me. And this run had been its most subsequent, its biggest run. It will probably be superseded again one day. But it does this frequently. It's part of what this market does. I mean, look up here. $100, boom, to 1,000, and it came all the way back down to 200, right? Excuse me. Oh, got over a frog in my throat. We've seen this happen time and time again. So what I'm sort of suggesting here is that some of these articles are pandering towards the hope that people have of the market going back up, and there really isn't any sign of it just yet. Look, there is divergence here on the daily, but that doesn't mean that we're going to see any sort of a breakout as such. And when people talk about breakouts, they tend to see it as being a positive thing. So I saw that headline and I thought to myself, man, they're just writing rubbish, and that's what happens. They have content to fill, I get it, but there is no breakout right now on any cards. If it does move higher, it'll be a move higher. For a breakout to occur, it needs to break something, you know. This market right now is just sideways. It is just holding its ground, which is fine. Will it hold its ground and move higher? Will it hold its ground and go lower? I don't know. It's too sideways for me right now. I'm really not interested in trading at this stage until I get some certainty, some direction, some clarity around what's actually going on. I am going to be sitting out for the most part and just doing other things. I'll be watching what's going on in the markets, but I won't be trading them as actively as I would do, like, you know, even 2 weeks ago when the market was falling. In the meantime, though, you know, we've just launched this competition where you can guess the Bitcoin prize, and we're giving away a huge amount of prize. Over $14,000 worth of prizes are going to be given away. So yeah, you just need to go to tradercobb.com/BTC. That's tradercobb.com/BTC. And you've got to get your entry in before the 26th of December. And it will be drawn. Well, we're going to take the price from the 31st midnight. So it's December 31st. At 11:59. All the terms and conditions are on the website if I get anything wrong. But yeah, so you can win some prizes there and have a crack at that. So go across and do that. Just need your name and email. That's all it is, and we can take it from there. But really, at the moment, guys, markets are flat. I know today is up, but as a whole, markets are flat, and I'm just waiting to get some clarity and direction. Much the same as yesterday, guys. Have a good day. Take care. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.